Yeah, hi, my name is Harish Goli. I have developed an Android application on Shopping Mart, and that application goes in this way. Initially, this is the first layout of the application, where in this layout we have like two buttons called seller and the customer. When the person comes and clicks on a seller button, he then goes to the next layout, and then in that layout it asks for the seller's username and password. Uh, by by uh, by default in my program I have given the seller login as username as admin and password also as an admin. So whenever the seller uses his credentials to get login, then he goes to the next layout after getting login. Then he finds like the products, the seller products, whatever the sellers add to the cart, to the application. The uh, details of the products comes to adds down one by one. And if he wants to add a new product, then he clicks on the add button on the top of there, so that he can add the new product to them. Whenever he clicks the add product, uh, he will be having a layout like this, where he'll be having the product id, product name, product price, product quantity, and product description. He gives the brief description of the product and he submits. Whenever he submits, he the product gets added to there. This is regarding the seller side. And when we come to the customer side, here we have like, if the customer is having the user credentials, he logins. Otherwise he need to be sign up first. So whenever he sign up, he will be giving the following details like name, mobile number, email id, username and password. And once he submit that, he can use the credentials what he has mentioned as the username and password in the customer sign up. And with the help, he can log in back again. And after getting login in, he will be having like the a layout for the customer products, where whatever the seller adds in the seller side, the products gets added uh, here, so that the customer can view the products what the seller adds in the seller side. So whenever the customer wants to buy, if he want to click on the items here, for example, let us say like the Hollister shirt. If he clicks on the Hollister shirt, it will give the total description of the product. What is the product price, how many products quantity is there, what are the description what the seller has mentioned, he everything he can view. And here he can add to the cart and he can buy directly this product. If you want to buy a single product, he can buy directly. If you want to have the multiple, so that he can add this to the cart, and he can go back and he can select and he can add another products to the cart. And this is for the second product, that is for the pant. So here is having the description of this whole thing. So whenever he clicks like my cart here, on the top it is given as the my cart. Whenever he clicks on the my cart, it directly goes to here. So in this cart, for example, if the person has selected Hollister shirts, 8 Hollister shirts, so what it does in the cart is it multiplies the number of quantity to the price and gives the total price as 120. And if he doesn't want the particular product, so he can delete with the help of the delete button here. After after selecting all the products, he can directly click on the buy button, so he can directly go to the next page. so where he can mention the card details and address and mobile number, and he can proceed for the payment, and he can get the approvals from the particular application. So this is what I have developed in my project regarding my Android application. I have done this much uh, stuff. Thank you so much.